Welcome to Pyramid Valley International. It's the world's largest meditation center and also known as one of the seven wonders of the Bangalore. The founder of this Pyramid Valley is Brahmarshi Patriji. Pyramid Valley is the largest meditation pyramid area which is constructed in scientific way. The place has beautiful landscape and greenery.
Hi everyone, this is your Amit. Welcome back to my channel, Commute with Amit. Today, I came up with a new place called International Pyramid Valley. This place is 40 to 45 kilometers from Bangalore, towards Kanakpura road, in outskirts of Bangalore. If you come there, there you will get this place. And this place is blossomed in 28 acres of land, and it's full of lush green and filled with the positive vibes. If really you are passionate about the meditation, this is the best place to visit. And apart from that, you'll get the kayaking activities also here. There is one small lake here, and that is also you can enjoy. I am really passionate about this place. Without any further delay, I would like to take to the virtual tour of this place. Please stay tuned with me. Come, let's go. The design and architecture built in this pyramid valley is said to be inspired by the Great Pyramid Giza. We are just walking in the pyramid valley. We were supposed to reach at 9:30 a.m. but it got delayed due to some other place covering. Um, Anyhow, now it's time 11:30 and still we have to explore more here. Later on, it's followed by lunch. It's 12:30 to 2:30, I think. It's lunch will be there, and it's free lunch. It's totally satvik one. You can see the boats here. There you can go for kayaking. Maybe it will charge some nominal charges they will give you. Hey guys, as I said you earlier, we are doing kayaking now. Really, it's a serene ambience and as a full of lush green, totally tranquil everywhere. Really, I suggest all my viewers to come here and enjoy your weekend. It's a perfect weekend gateway, we can say.
The meditation done inside a pyramid is called as a pyramid meditation. The pyramids provide high energy meditation environment for the beginners and act as a force multiplier for the veterans. The meditation done inside a pyramid is 3 times more powerful. Many people experience calmness and a total relaxation of pyramid meditation. The meditation is totally calming of all the restless waves of the mind. The mind is the separator of physical energy and the cosmic energy.
Hi guys, now I just reached to Pyramid Dome. I'm entering now. Let's see what exactly in that.
of silence here. I cannot talk anything here. We are in the almost top of the pyramid.
A mindful of unnecessary and incessant thoughts act as a barrier and doesn't allow cosmic energy to enter into the body system. Observations of our natural breath leads to thoughtless state of mind and makes it empty.
Guys, just now we have completed the meditation here. We have almost climbed the top of the pyramid, and really it's calm and peaceful, and spin drop silence and infuse meditating vibes. I really enjoyed it. So you must visit this place.
After completion of meditation, we entered into the bookstore. There you can find the series of spiritual as well as meditational books and other products. When the mind is empty, the cosmic energy starts flowing into the body. This will lead to sound health, lasting peace, inner joy, and activation of our extrasensory perceptions and mere. There are tens and thousands of benefits for doing meditation. The total health, the concentration, the spiritual knowledge, the peaceful and joyful mind, improved awareness, the clear purpose of life, enhanced memory, self confidence, enlightenment, harmonious human relations, and many more.
Hi guys, just now we have completed the lunch here. It's full of satvik food. They will give a rice, sambar, and buttermilk. So this is only they will give, and one pickle they will give. So this full of satvik. This is a completely free food here, so you can come and enjoy the meal.
In this pyramid valley, they will provide the accommodation for outstation visitors. They can stay till the completion of their meditation program.
Folks, it's a time to depart from this pyramid valley. We had a good time here. It was an awesome experience when we were doing a meditation on the top of the pyramid. Uh, Really, we enjoyed the food and kayaking, and the sattvic food was awesome. Very soon, I'll come up with the new videos. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
The traveling is not just about destination, it's something more about the whom you with, the memories you make, and journey itself.